Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you an unlimited AI video generation tool. Many people thought that Meta has removed its AI video generation feature, but it hasn't. And it's very obvious for you guys to think it like this way because if you go to Meta AI now and if you just paste an image here, say for example, just I'm browsing one of the images from my computer here, and if I just give it a prompt, then previously it would easily generate a fine animation video, but now it won't. As you can see that if I press enter here, see, it's telling that I can't generate animations or videos right now, but the video generation isn't gone forever. A newer version is expected in the future. So I'm exactly showing you what that thing is. It has shifted its entire video generation module into a separate web app, that is vibes.ai. So today I'm exactly going to show you what vibes.ai is. If you just type vibes.ai into your browser, you would land in such an interface. Make sure that you are logged in with your Meta account. That can be either your Facebook or either your Instagram. Okay, so after login to your Facebook or Instagram, you will see such an interface where you can easily generate videos. Now let me do the same thing in here. Now I'm going to upload my media here and just browse the same image from my PC here and then click on upload, and I'm going to give it the same prompt in here. Let's just wait till this gets uploaded. Yes, it's got uploaded. Now I'm going to paste the same prompt in here and hit enter. Yes, as you can see that it has already given us 4 versions, just like I described the image. So if I just click on one of these, you can just add your voice in here. You can just sync it to a music, and you can also click on auto animate. Okay, so I can play the animation here. Okay, so similarly, you can also add your voice, add music in here, and also extend this vertical video to a horizontal one. So yes, that was it. I hope you will explore this free tool and generate your AI videos and enjoy doing so. So that was all for today. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.